Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're going to explore another interesting topic for anyone looking to grow a business: understanding market dynamics. Markets do not operate in isolation. They are constantly influenced by a range of factors, such as economic conditions, social changes, and technological advancements. To succeed in business, you need to understand how these forces work together and how they shape the environment in which your businesses operate. This knowledge helps you predict changes, identify opportunities, and stay ahead of the competition. After completing this lecture, you should be able to identify the key factors that influence market behavior, understand the role of economic, social, and technological trends in shaping the business environment, analyze how these market dynamics impact business strategy and decision making. Market dynamics refer to the forces that influence the supply and demand within a given market. These forces are constantly changing due to shifts in the economy, society, and technology. Businesses must adapt to these changes to stay competitive. Understanding market dynamics allows you to anticipate these shifts and position your business to take advantage of new opportunities or to avoid potential pitfalls. Economic factors are some of the most significant drivers of market dynamics. These include things like inflation, interest rates, unemployment levels, and overall economic growth. When the company is strong, consumers tend to have more disposable income, which increases demands for goods and services. However, during a recession, consumers may cut back on spending, which can lead to lower demand. Businesses must be able to adjust their strategies based on the economic conditions around them. During the 2008 global financial crisis, many companies faced reduced consumer demand and had to pivot. Some businesses offered discounts, while others diversified their offerings to include more affordable products. Social trends and changes in consumer behavior are also crucial to understanding market dynamics. These include demographic shifts, changes in lifestyle, and evolving consumer values. For instance, the rise in environmental awareness has led many consumers to prioritize sustainable products, prompting companies to shift towards greener practices. Similarly, changes in population age groups or income levels can reshape market demand. The increasing preference for plant-based diets has influenced the food industry, with companies like Beyond Meat and Impossible Food capitalizing on the trend by offering plant-based meat alternatives. Technology is often a game changer in shaping markets. Advancements in technology can create new markets, disrupt existing ones, and change the way companies operate. Businesses that fail to adapt to new technologies risk falling behind. Keeping up with technological trends is crucial for maintaining competitiveness. The rise of e-commerce, powered by technological advancements, has transformed the retail industry. Companies that adapted to the shift, like Amazon, thrived, while traditional brick and mortar retailers faced significant challenges if they didn't move online quickly enough. Understanding these market dynamics isn't just an academic exercise. They have real, tangible effects on business decisions and strategies. If you know that recession is looming, you might adjust your product offerings to focus on value-oriented products. If you see a social shift towards sustainability, your business may need to adapt more eco-friendly practices to appeal to changing consumer values. In addition, by staying on top of technological trends, you can innovate ahead of your competitors. This gives you a significant advantage in industries where technological changes can quickly alter market landscapes. Let's look at the story of Kodak. Once a giant in the photography industry, Kodak dominated the film market for decades, but failed to recognize the technological shift towards digital photography. Despite inventing the first digital camera in 1975, the company didn't act fast enough to transition its business model. Competitors like Canon and Sony capitalized on this new technology and Kodak eventually filed for bankruptcy. Kodak's story is a classic example of businesses that failed to adapt to changing market dynamics, particularly technological advancements. Ignoring market dynamics, especially technological shifts, can lead to significant losses. Being proactive and adaptable is key to long-term success. Think of market dynamics like the weather. Just as weather conditions change and impact the landscape, market forces shift and affect your business environment. Just like a farmer studies weather patterns to know when to plant or harvest, businesses need to understand market dynamics to know when to launch products, change strategies, or pivot to new opportunities. Understanding market dynamics is essential for making informed business decisions. As we move forward, I encourage you to keep these concepts in mind. Choose an industry you are interested in and analyze how one of the factors, economic, social, or technological, has influenced the market in recent years. Write a short paper, 400 to 500 words, discussing how businesses in that industry have adapted to these changes and what future trends might affect the market. I would love to hear your thoughts on today's lecture. Are there any specific market trends that you've observed in industries that interest you? How do you think businesses can better prepare for shifts in market dynamics? Feel free to share your insights or ask questions in the comment section. Thanks for your attention today. Next time, we will learn the competitive analysis tools and techniques which will help you understand how to assess your competitors and position your business effectively in the market. Looking forward to seeing you then.